A lot of you are wondering what the heck is happening. Well, guys, there was breaking news today that the first case in the US for this strain has started to break out. So that has caused a lot of fear. It has caused a lot of FUD in the stock market and the entire crypto market. That's why we are seeing red. But should we be concerned with this news? In this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what is happening in the crypto market. Should you be concerned? And I also have some amazing information that you cannot miss. This will absolutely blow your mind. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. If you also want to get access to the most profitable trading community for all of cryptocurrencies, where I put my buy and sell alerts, join my Patreon right now for only $10 a month, where I also have other services where I can help to build and create a portfolio for you. We can go over your current portfolio, move some things around, get you diversified so that you can have exposure to the best cryptocurrencies right now. Do not forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL, also worth up to $2,300. All you have to do is deposit 1 penny using my link below and you will get free money where you can buy crypto with, or just send to your bank account. And before we dive into the video, guys, if you love cryptocurrencies, if you love Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, as this video is free and it would really help me out, who spend a lot of time making these videos for you so you guys can be informed. And also let me know in the comments below, guys, are you fearful right now, or are you buying this dip? Are you guys getting greedy? Because I am buying these dips. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So this news came out. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, there's this new strain, which there's a lot of words I'm not able to mention on YouTube, or pretty much they'll take me away. But there's a new strain, and that causes fear and panic of shutdowns. There's strains going out in Europe. So whenever there is things like this happening around the world, it does put people to scare. It scares a little bit of people. It slows things down because certain countries, certain places, they're very strict and they need to shut things down. So when markets are shut down, when businesses are shut down because of this, it does cause fear, guys. It does cause panic because people are looking back to the main event when there was a major crash in the stock market and the crypto market. The thing is going to happen over again, but it's really not, in my opinion. We have seen the stock market, we've seen a lot of things take a dip because of this. Now, the thing about it was cryptocurrencies were heading up and looking very bullish. But the thing is they are still extremely bullish. And the fact that this news has come out and has only brought cryptocurrencies down a little bit is a very good sign. Now, if this news would have brought the crypto market down 20 or 30%, okay, then we might have to be taking a look at what's actually happening. Should we be getting out of the market to try to time the market so we can buy the dips and so forth? But since that's not happening, the market has barely really gone down the last couple of days because of this news, but it has slowed the crypto market, guys. Cryptos were beginning to pump. Ethereum was close to all-time highs. Shiba Inu was pumping. Dogecoin was pumping. A lot of our favorite cryptos were getting ready to pump. But here we have it. This news comes out. Of course, whenever things are getting bullish, guys, there's always some news. Always some news out there to try to stop cryptocurrencies. But guys, what is it? A lot of times people fear for things that never happen. And a lot of times the fear is worse than the actual events that actually happen. Let me know if you guys agree with that statement in the comments below. And what do you guys think about that comment? But based on the technicals, guys, we are still extremely bullish, guys, extremely bullish. The technicals for cryptocurrencies are showing us that we are due for a big bounce, that cryptos have been in a correction the last couple of weeks, and that they are getting ready to bounce. But we're gonna first start off with CoinMarketCap. Let's see what has happened. So Bitcoin is about $57,000. Remember, we just dropped to remember, we just dropped to like 53,000. So we're still up, from the last couple of days. Ethereum is $4,500. This is really nothing crazy. We do have Solana continuing to pump. Glad we bought that on the Patreon a couple of days ago. Cardano, guys, is taking off. Look at this. This is absolutely crazy. Cardano's taking off. We have Terra has been taking off. Terra has been on a tear. It's up 50%, guys, in the last 7 days. That's just absolutely crazy. Polygon is going crazy. There's a bunch of really good platforms, DeFi platforms, that are doing really well. Uniswap is up. So it's great to see a lot of cryptocurrencies are actually up while most of the market is down. That's why it's good to be properly diversified into cryptocurrencies, which we help you with, which I personally help you with in the Patreon. So if you're properly diversified, so when most cryptocurrencies are going down, you can have other cryptocurrencies to bring your portfolio up even when the market is red. That's why it's good to buy a bunch of different cryptos sometimes. Now, let me show you guys this. So this pattern right here is monitoring pretty much the whole crypto market. So if we put the whole crypto market on a chart and we are taking a look at RSIs, what we can monitor here is the buyers and sellers exhaustion. So right now, on the all the way to the right side, we see this big yellow circle, the big orange circle, whatever color it is in your eyes, and we see the price going down. That is a bullish divergence, which is also a very, very bullish sign. It's kind of like a hidden secret that the market is about to take off in a crazy way. And every time we get this bullish divergence, guys, look, the RSI goes up while the price goes down. That shows you a big breakout is about to happen, and it has happened over and over and over again. So this thing is gearing up for not just a regular breakout, but a massive breakout. And if this happens, which I personally believe that it will here very, very soon, this is going to send a lot of our cryptocurrencies that we love, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, up to crazy degrees, guys, crazy degrees. So it's really important to figure out whether you should be buying dips. When cryptos are going up, you need to take a look and zoom out. Take a look at some technical indicators. See what's actually happening behind the scenes, because if you just look at the price on your phone, it's going up and down, and you see it's going down, and it's red, it's depressing. If you just zoom out, you can actually see historically this has happened over and over again. There's been FUD, drops the price of cryptocurrencies down, and then boom, out of nowhere, cryptocurrencies continue to recover. They bounce up, break all-time highs, and they continue to repeat this process over and over again. Just remember, Bitcoin last year, guys, was $3,000. Ethereum was $100. Guys, Dogecoin is 0.000, all these zeros. Shiba Inu was pretty much non-existent, and here it is. So guys, all you have to do is zoom out and look forward to the future. To invest and to make money, to be successful with cryptocurrencies, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme where you invest in 2 weeks and you're rich. No, guys, it takes years. But those years, if you invest properly, you invest patiently, you don't get shaken out by market manipulation by these whales or get scared by them, you will make a lot of money, most likely. But remember, none of this is financial advice, it's just my own opinion. So also what this chart monitors is when we are exhausted with people selling or buying. So what we are actually seeing by the RSI, by us being at this level here, is that the sellers are exhausted, which means that people cannot drop the price down much further, that the power has been exhausted, that it's pretty much gone down to almost nothing. So the power that can drop the price of cryptocurrencies is not there anymore. The buyers are gaining strength. So when the buyers gain strength, guys, that's when these crazy pumps happen very quickly. But let me go ahead and dive into some technical analysis, which that was. So Bitcoin right now, we want to take a look at Bitcoin first before we take a look at any other cryptocurrency. It's still forming an inverse head and shoulders, which is a very, very bullish, strong pattern. But we are also trading inside of this descending wedge pattern, which is also a very, very bullish sign. So here very soon, I am expecting, as we did get the other day, we had a breakout outside of the pattern, but the news came to crash us down a little bit. So we are seeing a dip in the crypto market, but I believe very strongly that we are going to be breaking out of this pattern here very, very soon. Within the next week, guys, I think within the next week, something big is going to be happening for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of the cryptocurrencies that we hold. Now, if we understand what's happening for Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can understand what's happening to Shiba Inu right now. Yes, Shiba Inu is an extreme, strong discount, but guys, I believe that Shiba Inu has begun its reversal, guys, the bullish reversal pattern. So we bottom all the way out here. A lot of people were able to buy the dips. Luckily in the Patreon, we were able to catch some of these dips, but guys, we are creating higher highs and higher lows. So hopefully this pattern gives us some continuation to the upside. Taking a look at Dogecoin, Dogecoin is back to 20 cents, almost 21 cents. And we may be looking just the same as Shiba Inu, finding a bottom and most likely bouncing. This might be the bottom here. We could, again, guys, just to be completely honest with you, come back down to this next support level. And for a lot of cryptocurrencies, we could see another little dip before heading back up. Honestly, I don't think the dip is very likely, but it surely is a strong possibility. But the dip would most likely just bring us to the level that we were at previously when all the FUD happened the last couple of days and even the last couple of weeks. I don't really see us surpassing this level of support for most cryptocurrencies as well. Now, Sandbox is looking very interesting. If you guys hold the Sandbox potentially might be forming a double bottom here after failing to make a higher high. So we're gonna have to take a look and see if Sandbox can break this level of resistance. Guys, if Sandbox breaks this level of resistance, guys, this thing is going to like freaking $10, $11, $12 here very, very soon. And a lot of you guys do hold ADA. So let me go ahead and take a look at the charts here. Yeah, I mean, we're seeing a inverse head and shoulders here. If I zoom into the chart, we can definitely see it. I'm not gonna do that just for the video's sake. And it is looking, as we are breaking levels of resistance, we could be getting a strong recovery for Cardano. And there is some news out there that is fueling this pump. So Cardano, guys, I believe was oversold. The exhaustion of the sellers is definitely there. And I'm thinking that we overall, as we are seeing, a lot of the same thing for cryptocurrencies are going to be recovering and bouncing here very soon. So if you got anything out of today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Share this video with a friend or family, and I will see you all later. And don't forget to join the Patreon to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth of $2,300.